Hello, my name is Ashley. Today we are here. We're gonna take care of this beautiful backyard. We're gonna make it like a paradise later on. So we're gonna start to clean all the weeds and everything. We're gonna dig it, and then we're gonna try to make it beautiful cement and beautiful garden and everything. So now we're gonna start first to clean the mess over here. We're gonna start to clean all the weeds and everything first. We're gonna chop them and clean them, get rid of them. And it's also because it's dry, it's a good idea to water it first. We also have to take this concrete too away, so it's gonna be all brand new. We're gonna make new one. We're gonna lay down some sods grass, all this area. Next to the wall, it's for the irrigation. This part is for the irrigation. We have to put pipes. We're gonna dig it 5 to 6 inch for irrigation because the grass is going to be this side so we can water the garden. Now that we took all the grasses out, we packed it, we're going to get rid of it so we can start our new plan. Alright, so the hard part is over. We digged it, we cleaned all the grasses. We already put all the sprinkles and all the pipes. The PVC pipe that we put it already, it's scheduled 40, which is 3/4 inch it is. We lined it and we put it and we finished it already. Over here, we digged it about 8 inch. We took all the dirt, we cleaned it up, and then we put the road base. We're gonna put the pavers over here. For the road base, we're gonna use it recyclable asphalt. Next, we're gonna compacting the road base with the compactor. And on top of the road base, we're gonna put sand. And on top of the sand, we're gonna lay on pavers. So, all right, now I'm gonna, like the way you see it, this is what I'm doing all over the places with the shovel. We have to even up without messing the rocks, the bottom. And then I'm gonna use the 2x4 to level it up, just like this. There you go. Well, those bricks that you see it, we're gonna put in a front. It's a random ashlar pattern. This is the big one, ashlar pattern. We're gonna do it. This is the big one, and this one I'll bring it to show you over here. This is small one. So we're gonna put big, small. We're gonna make a design. It's gonna be very, very beautiful. I use the saw to make some cuts for the curves. And then we pour the sand into the cracks, and then we spray it with sealer. We are ready for our gravel. This is a geotech. What we have to do after, while we cleaned it up, we opened it, we have to put this to the ground, and then we're gonna put the rocks on it, the small pebbles. So what it does, it prevents from the grass growing. And if you can see here, we did California gold 3/8 inch. Now over here that you see it, we put some grasses, we bore it, it comes squares. It's very easy to do it. What you do is you put fertilizer first, and then when you buy them square, you put next to each other, and that's how you water it later on. The roots, it starts to grow, and it will hold it very beautifully. We planted variety plants, including the Oliver twist, a little orange tree. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you like my project. So in case if you like it, please subscribe my channel and like. And I thank you very much again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patio.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.